Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to fix invite collaborator option on Instagram. Now there are certain key points to remember. This feature is only available for the public accounts, not the private accounts. I'm going to show you how. Here I am in my private account. Now I'm going to try to make a post. But here you are able to see that in my private account, I'm only able to tag people, not collaborate with them. So in order to collaborate with people on a post, you would have to switch to a public account. Now here I am on my public account. Similarly, like last time, I'm gonna try to make a post. Just click on anything that you would like to post. And there you go. Now you can see the invite collaborator option. Easy, right? If your invite collaborator option is still not showing after switching to a public account, you will need to report this as an issue to Instagram. Now open your profile and go to settings. Now scroll down and select help. Now here you will need to report your problem to Instagram. Now here we are in the report problem section. Now write down your problem and submit it. Hopefully Instagram is gonna get in touch with you and fix this. Easy, right? Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.